Hello and welcome to our How to Spatial Work video guide series created by Hiverlab. Digital twins made easy for everybody and for a more sustainable future. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to install Spatial Work on a PC, which is essential for creating projects, uploading various content, and performing tasks that aren't possible with the web browser or mobile version of Spatial Work, depending on when you'll be watching this video. At this moment in time, you would need to go to the actual Hiverlab website, then navigate to the Spatial Work product page. Once it has loaded, scroll down until you see a button called Explore, and click on it. You'll likely need to create a username first, which is recommended. Doing so grants you access to Spatial Work and the media library in your client portal. I'll guide you through the registration process and delve deeper into what the client portal entails in another upcoming video. If you're watching before these updates take effect, after you click the Explore More button, you will be redirected to another website within the Hiverlab's ecosystem, spatialwork.io. Don't worry, it's all connected. In the future, we plan to consolidate everything on the hiverlab.com website. So if you're watching later on, expect some slight differences. However, if you're viewing this before the updates, navigate to the pricing section and scroll down to find downloads for Windows. Click this button to download the latest version of Spatial Work and save it in your desired location. Once you've found your file, simply unzip it like any regular file, and then proceed to install it by running the spatialwork.exe as an administrator. At this point, you won't need to install anything else. After installation, Spatial Work will automatically launch on your screen. If you don't have a Hiverlab account yet, there's no need to worry. On the Login User interface, simply click on Sign Up here. Then a new window will open in your browser, and in the next step, I'll guide you on how to create your account. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.